So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and we are back with the market analysis. So first of all, what we are going to do, as the month of April has ended and we are into the May, today was the first trading session of the May. So we are going to start analyzing the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty both from monthly time frame. So let's see what has happened on the monthly time frame. So here is the candle for the April month, which was made by the Nifty 50. As you can see, another bearish candle with a very small body and long wicks. We can see this candle here. So for me, these both, first of all, this candle was a dodgy candle, and then I have told you that if somehow this candle closes below the previous closing or previous body, then it is going to be a big bearish signal. And as we can see this, first we have received a rejection on the month in the month of the February, upper side rejection. As you can see, the long wick here, after long rally of the Nifty 50 on the monthly chart, we have seen rejections on the upper side. Then we have seen a candle of indecisions, and then we are seeing a bearish candle. So my expectations are consistent with the my previous expectation that I'm bearish on the Nifty 50 monthly chart, and it shows that way only. So I hope you are clear with this, why I am telling that I'm bearish. The reasons are very clear to all of you. So now I'm moving to the weekly charts to see what has happened on the weekly charts. So there are not much levels on the weekly chart. The support on the weekly and the monthly chart is the similar one. But here is the weekly chart. As you can see, this is today's chart, but this is the previous week's chart. And this chart also, one thing is noticeable is that in this candle also Nifty has upper side rejection. So yeah, this is not a good thing. These upper side rejections are not a good thing. When market is trending and when market is in the downtrend, these kind of upper side rejection or this candle is preferably called as or bullish candle or pattern reversal candle. But when made in a channel, look at this is a channel. The Nifty 50 is accumulating over here in this range, and these upper side rejections are not a good signal. So yeah, weekly chart a little less bearish, but it's still bearish. But monthly charts are strongly bearish, so longer time frame always dominates. So now moving to the daily time frame for the Nifty 50. Let me little bit zoom out to show you, because this range of the daily that I have marked between the resistance and the support is of the 600 points, which was not visible when charts were zoom in. So now you can see, and congratulations once again. As I have told you, the Nifty 50 on the next trading day will move towards its support, and it has started moving towards its support. So my support that I have marked is near the 14,250 range, and today's low made by the Nifty 50 was 14,416. So yeah, just 200 points higher than that, and clearly moving in that direction. But a bullish candle was made as the market has opened gap down, but we have seen a bullish candle being made, a green candle. So yeah, little bit of recovery after the 3 days of fall, very much expected. But yeah, still inconsistency that market has shown as bearish signals on the opening. Now moving to the hourly chart, and on the hourly chart we have made a range. So yeah, market has traded inside the range only, but after the gap down opening we have seen a little bit of recovery. Previous 2 days, as we have seen the red days, so today we have seen a little bit of green day, but still market is in the or range only. So my expectations from the Nifty 50 are very clear, is that a little bit of recovery is okay. So what Nifty 50 basically did today is created this gap and then filled this gap, which is expected. As I have told you, these common gaps get filled very early in the market. When the prices are trading in a range, these kind of gaps are known as common gaps, and these gaps are get filled very early. And what Nifty 50 did today is the very similar thing. It has filled its own gap very soon. So now the expectations are bearish only, and as I have told you, there is no need to hurry, and there is no need to ride any such kind of little bull trends. A little bit of rallies, we don't need to follow them. And to be honest, I'm still bearish on the market on the hourly chart as well. So my expectations are very clear that the market will try to achieve this level of support in this week, in this running week. These are my major expectations from the Nifty 50. As far as tomorrow is concerned, I am seeing a little bit of gap up or flat opening, no gap down openings. I'm not expecting a gap down opening, but little bit of gap up or flat opening, which will, and though all those gain will be gone in the similar day only. If any made on the opening, then those gains will be gone in the similar days. This is very clear. This is, and Nifty has cleared us this thing. So now let's see what happens tomorrow. But yeah, I am overall bearish on the market. Now moving to the bank Nifty. Oh, sorry, Nifty bank chart is this. So here, first of all, let's move to the monthly chart. As what we did with the Nifty 50, we are going to do the similar thing with the bank Nifty also. So yeah, here in the bank Nifty also, we have seen this upper side rejections. Then we have seen a long bearish candle. Then again, this candle is the bearish candle. This candle has bigger lower side rejection, doesn't matter. Candle is the bearish one after another bearish candle. So yeah, outlook is bearish on the Nifty, on the bank Nifty as well, and very clearly we can see this. Now moving to the weekly charts. So this is the candle for the previous month's closing, resting on its weekly support only. As you can see, we have marked it resting on the weekly support, and today's candle is also somewhere tried to go below this weekly support but could not, because let me show you one thing. The thing is that on the daily time frame, the support on the daily time frame is below the support of the weekly time frame. So yeah, it happens. But today, as you can see, market has tried to go below this weekly support but could not do that. As I have told you, the longer time frame support and resistance dominates the daily and the hourly support and resistance. That's why bank Nifty could not do that. I have mentioned this in the previous video also, that bank Nifty will be bearish, but it will be very difficult for the bank Nifty to go below this support level, as this is a weekly support level. So this is a stronger support level, but market was bearish today for the bank Nifty. As you can see, market has tried to go below but could not hold on to it, and gone up after several hours of trading near the range, or even two candles were made below this weekly support but could not hold on to it. So yeah, what I'm expecting is that little bit of this gap is still not filled by the bank Nifty. So hoping that tomorrow bank Nifty will fill this gap, but then again we'll try to penetrate this support only, this weekly support only. These are my expectations from the bank Nifty. So I'm very clear that on the longer time frame, I'm bearish on both bank Nifty and Nifty, obviously. And on the hourly time frame, now I'm looking that after 2-3 days of continuous falling, I'm hoping a little bit of recovery in the market in the bank Nifty and Nifty, but no need to ride that rally. As I have mentioned, very aggressive or risky traders can do that, but in my opinion, you should be conservative right now until the market does not come into the trend. If market is trending, that time you need to be aggressive. Whatever trade we are taking, we need to class those trades, and when market is trending, we can class our trades as risky trades, and we can be more confident on our risky trades in a trending market. But when market is moving in a consolidated range, we can't put our risky trades in a good class. Those are bad class trade. That's why I keep on saying that be conservative on this kind of market. Wait for market to go below this support level of the weekly, then you can openly short the market. These are my suggestions to all of you. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the bank Nifty and Nifty bank things. So now let me show you the indices performance for today, different indices. How does that perform? As a trader, it is hurting that what we are going to see right now, Nifty 50.02% change. Now, as a trader, this is hurting. As a trader in the options or even in the stocks, you want a little bit of volatility in the market. So a little bit of trend. If it wants to be in the green side only, then it should be at least 1%, 1.5%. But obviously, we are not getting that every day. As you can see, very little movement in every indices we can see. A bank Nifty a little bit more volatile, always 0.96% change, but yeah, still not much. So not a trending market. It is hurting for as a trader, but yeah, okay, not every day you're getting that. And let's see the gainers and the losers for today. SBI Life, top gainer, 5.43% change, and Bharti Airtel. And I have picked these both stocks for the tomorrow's trading also. Losers, Titan, IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank, we were short on the IndusInd Bank few days back also, and I have told you that it is going for the hard for the IndusInd Bank. We were short on this bank, and today also it has fallen. So now let me show you the thing first on the SBI Life. So this is SBI Life. So this is the hourly chart, and you can see the last two candles, big green candles with huge volumes also. Okay, so you can see these volumes. So I'm hoping that SBI Life is not going to stop here. As you can see, this stock has received upper side rejection, but still a big body candle. This candle is big green candle, so I'm hoping that SBI Life will not stop here. It has previously received rejections here at this level only when this big candle was made. Today also it has received rejection, but I'm hoping that tomorrow once again it will try to go somewhere near this level once again. So yeah, I'm bullish on the SBI Life. Second is my stock is Bharti Airtel, and Bharti Airtel again has shown a great bullish move today. This big green candle suggests that Bharti Airtel will be at least one more day, will be having one more bullish day at least. These are my expectations. And let me show you on the hourly chart also, great volumes to end the day with a green candle. So yeah, I'm hoping continuation of this trend tomorrow in Bharti Airtel and SBI Life both. And the third stock is IndusInd Bank, as I have mentioned. So let's move to IndusInd Bank. So yeah, this is IndusInd Bank. As I have told you, it has received rejections over here. This is the resistance level and moving towards the support. And I'm hoping that it will continue its walk towards the support level. So yeah, I am bearish on the IndusInd Bank. So I hope you are clear about Nifty, Bank Nifty, IndusInd Bank, Bharti Airtel and SBI Life. So that's it for today, everyone. I hope this video was informative for all of you. So please do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press that bell icon to receive the notification, because these information as a trader are really important to all of you. Thank you so much for watching once again.